Hi everyone, today I am reviewing this Ozito lithium ion cordless 11mm glue gun. I was after a glue gun because the one that I have has to be plugged in all the time, which can get a little annoying, and the idea of a cordless one really struck me. Now this is just the skin. You have to pay for the battery, but fortunately we had some power tools here at home where we already had the Ozito battery, so I can transfer that to use this. So this is the front of the box. There is a 5-year guarantee and replacement warranty on this, which is incredible that they can offer a 5-year. Has 120-second heat up time. It's got an LED indicator, a flow control trigger. It's supposed to be compact and lightweight. There's 2 interchangeable nozzles, which is interesting, and they've included 5 glue sticks in here. So that's the front of the box. If we have a look on the side, we have got the 18-volt battery management. Again, multi-use, long life. It has the interchangeable nozzles there, giving us a little bit more. The LED work light as well, which would be really handy to see what you're doing. We have a glue level monitoring window, and you can glue up to 50 sticks on a single charge. It does take the 11mm glue sticks. Now these are from Bunnings, so these are the 10.8, so this is the size that you'll need. These glue sticks at Bunnings are $2.98, and at the time of filming, this cordless glue gun was $49. So let's open it up and take a look. Okay, so in the box, you have the power gun, you have got the nozzle here. It's already fitted with this one, so that's the second nozzle obviously, and the tool that you need to exchange the nozzle. So this one's interesting. I thought it was going to be a little bit more fine point, so when you look at the cover, it looks like it's a fine tip one, but I guess that is okay. And in the other pocket over here, let's put that out of the way so it cuts off, you have got some additional glue sticks. So these are the 5 that it comes with. These ones are huge. They're much longer than what I thought they would be. You've got the actual glue gun itself. So obviously the glue goes in the back here. You've got your trigger for pushing the glue along. This is where your battery is going to go, down the bottom here. All right, this is your on-off switch. Now, when it comes to taking the other bit off, let's just see what this looks like. So that just unscrews. And if you're wanting to replace it out for this tip, you just screw that in like so. And then that's where this spanner comes in handy, so you can tighten it off so the glue doesn't come out through here. So that's pretty easy to replace the tip. No issues with that. I'm going to keep this one because I quite like that one. And that one, you just tighten with your finger. You don't need the other tool. Your instruction manual tells you a little bit about the actual talks about how to fit the battery, changing nozzles, which I just showed you, how to load the glue sticks, turning it on and off, and gluing. And you've got all of your different lights here. So the status light indicator's up the top. The LED work light is actually down at the bottom. So this is where it will light up when you're using it. So you can see where it is that you're gluing. I should be pretty fine sitting here in the studio, but obviously if you're outside doing something, being cordless, you might need that. So that's the safety info. So I'm going to grab the battery and see if we can start this up. So this is the battery, and it just slides in like so. You can buy batteries separately. It just clicks in, and then to remove the battery again, you just hold that in and you slide it back off again. So that's like so. Now with the glue sticks that it came with are really quite long. These ones are obviously much shorter, but you just double them in, so it wouldn't be a problem at all. I'm just going to use one of the ones that did come with the Ozito. It's probably going to stick out the back somewhat, so they just come in down through the back. Yeah, so it's quite long. Let's have a look at the other Bunnings ones, I should say. Put one of those in, see what that does. Get one out. Okay, it's also clear. So let's take this glue stick back out again. Oops. And pop this one in. Okay. And then I won't be able to get that one out, so it looks like I'm using the Bunnings one. And then you can add that other one in the back like so. So it's not an issue. That one will work anyway, regardless. All right, so let's turn this one on. So pressing the button, we have an indicator light that's just come on there. At the moment it's red. It might look a bit yellow to you, but it's definitely red here. And I'm assuming when it is green, we are good to go. So it's going to take 120 seconds to heat up. So that's about 2 minutes. So we'll come back once it's heated. Right, that's been 2 minutes. The light indicator has turned green now, and it's ready to be spitting out some glue. So let's just take the outside of this bag just to have a look. So if you squeeze in the trigger, I can see some glue popping out of there. Let's put this other one in the back just to get it going, because it does clamp on and sends it through. And then as you push the trigger, there we go. So it's working just fine. I'm incredibly happy with this new Ozito Cordless glue gun. It's going to make my life a lot easier here in the craft room because I don't have a lot of power points, and I can easily charge this up and have it on hand. Interesting that the glue is on and it's not leaking out. My other one leaks quite often. I'm sure that it will if it was left sit long enough, but at the moment it isn't oozing through, which is just wonderful. So yeah, very, very happy with my purchase. So I'm going to pop this one off now and put it aside whilst I get organised as to what craft I'm going to be doing today. If you have enjoyed this review of the Ozito Cordless 11mm glue gun, then don't forget to give us a like. Subscribe to the channel because I do lots of creating videos on this channel around garden, home, kitchen, crafting, scrapbooking, you name it. DIY, and also making money online. So covering a lot, but it's all about being creative in all aspects of life. So thanks for sticking around. I'll see you in the next one.